Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're excited to share some ultimate tips and tricks for planning your next RV adventure. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting out, these valuable insights will ensure your trip is nothing short of amazing. Get ready to explore some stunning destinations, optimize your itinerary, and make the most out of your RV adventure. We'll cover everything from choosing the perfect campground to essential packing tips. We understand the importance of a well-planned journey, so we've gathered the best advice from experienced RV enthusiasts. Learn how to navigate unforeseen challenges, find hidden gems, and create unforgettable memories along the way. Our comprehensive guide will delve into various aspects such as route planning, budgeting, and the best apps to assist you on the road. We'll also share insights on RV maintenance, safety measures, and efficient packing techniques. Join us as we embark on an incredible journey filled with breathtaking landscapes, exciting activities, and enriching cultural experiences. We'll help you unlock the true potential of RV adventures and provide you with all the necessary tools to create an itinerary tailored to your preferences. Don't miss out on the chance to make your next RV adventure the best one yet. Hit that play button now and start planning your dream trip today. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more RV-related content, insightful tips, and inspiration for your future adventures. Don't forget to hit that like and share button also, please, and leave a comment. It helps us immensely. Thank you very much. Leave a comment below and let us know about your favorite RV destinations and any further questions you may have. Happy RVing! Welcome to our channel, where we share the ultimate tips and tricks for planning your next RV adventure. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the RV lifestyle, we've got you covered. Tip number 1, research your destination. Take the time to gather information about the area you'll be visiting. Look for local attractions, hiking trails, and campgrounds. This will help you plan your itinerary and make the most out of your trip. Tip number 2, plan your route. Use a reliable navigation app. For us, we use the Garmin 890, and that's very good and suggested for RVers and travelers. And if not, then use an old-fashioned map to plot your journey. But make sure you go on a route that is good for your RV, have your RV measured, etc. Because that's very important, because certain roads handle certain kinds of vehicles, obviously. Consider road conditions, fuel stops, and rest areas along the way. This will ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride. Tip number 3, pack strategically. Before hitting the road, make a checklist of all the essentials. Always make sure to stock up on food, water, and toiletries. Don't forget important camping gear like a first aid kit, camping chairs, and bug spray. Tip number 4, campsite reservation. Popular campgrounds can fill up quickly, especially during peak seasons. So book your campsites in advance to secure your spot. Check for amenities like hookups, showers, and Wi-Fi based on your preferences. Tip number 5, plan for weather changes. Mother Nature can be unpredictable. Pack layers of clothing, including rain gear and warm clothes. Be prepared for temperature fluctuations and sudden weather changes. Tip number 6, create a flexible schedule. While it's good to have a plan, leave room for spontaneity. Embrace unexpected detours and unique experiences along the way. RV adventures are all about exploring and discovering hidden gems. Tip number 7, stay connected. Make sure you have a reliable communication system in place. Invest in a cell signal booster or consider purchasing a mobile hotspot to stay connected to the online world in remote areas. Thanks for watching our video. We hope these tips will help you plan your next RV adventure with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy